Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. We'd love to have you join the community. Doing a quick dessert in the air fryer today. Crescent rolls and Oreos wrapped up really tightly like this. Make sure the dough covers the Oreo. Double stuffed, I believe next time would definitely be a better option. This is what it looks like going in the air fryer. We did 380 for 8 minutes. And we're going to cover it with powdered sugar while it's still warm. And this is what it looks like. It's hot. About in the middle. It's hot though.
Alright.
Alright, let us see the middle. How's it taste?
Good.
Okay, and there you have it, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you would like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss another episode of Life with Shannon.